Good day, my name is Zee Zee. I am from West class. Today I want to tell you about to introduce video. One day, Helen is sitting in her room. She looks dissatisfied with her room. One of her friends, David, suggests to move the bed under the window. Meanwhile, she suggests to put the Headway on the chest of the drawers. And David tells to put the chair in the corner of Helen's room. But Jane has another suggestion. Jane suggests to paint Helen's room. But Helen can't paint. Helen has not appointment at 1 o'clock, so it is impossible. So Jane offers to Helen to paint Helen's room. But there is one problem. Helen doesn't know what color she wants to paint. So Helen gives it to her friends. On their way to the Irish store, they all get together. So David asked the pedestrian to the direction. And then the pedestrian says that the other store is next to the market. And then Matt suggests black color, but he thinks black color is not the color for the room. And Jane takes the blue color, but the blue color is expensive. They look for gorgeous color, and then Jane takes orange color. They think the orange color is gorgeous and not expensive, so they buy the color and roller too. After a rice form, they start to paint Helen's room. After done painting, Helen writes home. And then Helen sees the matched t-shirts.
Nice.
And then Helen says, match your t-shirts. It is horrible. And then Helen opens the room door. And then Helen screams, because the color is same like matched t-shirts. In my opinion, this story is boring because the characters are ugly. The moral story that we can get is we must to be grateful for someone's help. If not, do it yourself. Don't blame anyone else. I think that's all. Thank you.
It's rare for me to see like Max. You look like you look funny. Okay, let's go. What is the moral of the story?
The moral of the story is we must to be grateful of someone's help. If not, do yourself. Don't blame someone else.
why we have to do it ourselves and don't ask someone else? Why we have to do it by ourselves and not asking for help? You know? You know? No. No? I changed one of the questions, okay? Okay. Mister, you go to your own room today.
Sorry?
Just go to your own room today. What is your own room today? What class?
Unit 4.
Okay, go to U4.
Okay.
I will call your friend just in a second. Yes, they can go first, miss. They can go first. Who is wrong in the video? Who's mistaken?
Yes, just save it first.
Who is wrong in the video?
Bring it later.
You know there is misunderstanding, right? So, who is wrong? What is wrong?
I will do this first.
If there is no wrong, then it's supposed to be okay. And I'm not screaming. It's good now. And she gets something that she doesn't like. So something is wrong, right? What is wrong? Who is wrong? Jane. Why Jane is wrong? That's how she wants. But why you don't blame Helen? Why you blame Jane? Jane is not there. Jane wants to help. Jane wants to help. So you put Helen or Jane? You know Jane. Jane. Still Jane. Helen. Jane or Helen? Still Jane. Okay. I continue with another question. If you were Helen, will you leave your friends painting your room and then you go to that or it's so? And you have your friends. The last why do you
You can go. I should go. That's okay. Because it's not finished yet, okay? I cannot take it. I cannot take it now.
Last question. Do you think it's important for us to have a date right now? No, it's not important. Why? Wait, go outside this, go outside this. Keep on. You already? Lakukan. Okay? Thank you. Done, you guys.